In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to budget your paycheck in Notion. If you've been looking for a simple, repeatable way to track where every dollar goes, this walkthrough will get you set up quickly and confidently. First, head to the Notion website in your browser. If you're already using Notion, make sure you're signed in so everything saves to your workspace. Once you're in, look for the marketplace. This is where Notion gathers ready-made templates that you can add with a click, and it's the fastest way to start budgeting without building a system from scratch. Inside the marketplace, go to the search bar and type Paycheck Tracker. This pulls up templates designed specifically for tracking income and planning expenses around your pay schedule. You'll likely see a few options, so take a second to preview the one simply named Paycheck Tracker. Skim the description to confirm it includes places to log paychecks, allocate money to categories, and view totals or summaries. Click the template to open its page, then click Add. Notion will ask which workspace to add it to if you have more than one. Choose the right one and give it a moment to appear in your sidebar. When it opens, you'll have a working template that you can use as is, but customizing it is where you'll make it truly fit your life. Start by renaming the page so it's easy to find, like Paycheck Budget. Check the currency settings and switch them to your local currency if needed. Then review the databases included. Most paycheck trackers include a table for income entries and another for categories or expenses. Adjust the properties to match your situation. Add or edit categories such as rent, groceries, utilities, savings, and debt payments. Tweak pay frequency notes like bi-weekly or monthly, and add fields you care about such as paycheck date, net amount, category, notes, and allocation. Enter a recent paycheck as a test. Type the amount, the date it hit your account, and then assign portions to your categories. If the template has formulas or progress bars, make sure they're calculating correctly with your numbers. You can create views that group allocations by month or by category so you can quickly see totals and spot overspending. If you're paid irregularly, add a tag or note to remind yourself how you want to prioritize essential expenses first. From here on, use the same page every payday. Log the new paycheck, allocate the funds, and review your totals. Over time, the tracker becomes a clear record of your cash flow, helping you make better decisions and stick to your plan.